Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Amravati location. It is from Maharashtra. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for executive credit operations. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, fulfillment of gold loan process at branch post sales and basic data entry by marketing executives. Training for subsequent new hires on policies and the process for gold loan, ensuring policy adherence and meeting the TAT at branches, ensuring adherence to validating process and policies, auditing gold as per laid down policies and process, valuation of gold ornaments, provide feedback to HO authorities on credit process or policies or local market on a regular basis. Data analysis and sharing of best practices with other location teams. These are the job duties and key responsibilities. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, like graduate and 1 to 4 years of relevant experience in gold loan industry is required. Knowledge of gold appraisal process, importing gold appraisal or evaluation training is required, and gold interpersonal skills are required. This is about the required qualifications and experience. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Paris Group. They are looking for business development executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, oversee the sales process to develop new dealers or distributors in a defined territory, maintain fruitful relationships with existing dealers or distributors and address their needs effectively, identify new market opportunities, develop new relationships with builders, architects and contractors in case you are assigned to get project orders, and good planning, organizing and execution skills, align self-goal with organization goals, be passionate to help the company grow. These are the key responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the qualifications required, like the candidates should be graduate with at least 2 to 3 years of experience in sales. Prior plumbing, sanitary ware industry experience will be preferred, and strong communication and interpersonal skills are required along with focused and goal oriented. These are the qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Apex Services. They are looking for equity trader. Coming to the key responsibilities and accountabilities, to maintain a synergistic relationship with relationship managers by supporting their efforts to enhance business, to keep abreast with the market knowledge and market intelligence, responsible for ensuring all activities are in adherence as per compliance risk, provide regular updates to the immediate superior as and when required. These are the key responsibilities and accountabilities. Coming to the skills and knowledge, and the candidates should be a graduate or postgraduate with minimum 1 year of experience in equities on the client advisory side, and the candidates should have sound understanding of capital markets. Candidates should be a result oriented, self-started, proactive and good communication skills, and should possess strong networking relationship building skills, and should be certified in derivative certificate NISM 8 for equity dealer profile. These are the skills required for this job role. Coming to the desired skills and experience, like here some given. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in BRBA Aerospace Private Limited. They are looking for rocket design and simulation internship. Coming to the job description, It will be 21 days virtual training internship for rocket design and simulation. Coming to the eligibility criteria, it is specially designed for undergraduate students, diploma students, school students like 11th and 12th class and others interested. And coming to the important dates, it will be application opens on 16th October and application closes on 30th October and internship starts from 1st November. And it is an unpaid virtual training program and fees is applicable for the training and it will be 299 rupees. And interested candidates can apply for this internship by the link provided in the description box. To the next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. They are looking for Business Development Manager Health Insurance. Coming to the job description, it will be digital marketing, web development, business development, and execution. Formulate sales execution on ground for driving health business in alignment with overall business strategy for the vertical considering the prevailing market conditions to ensure achievement of defined targets or revenue or profit, and maintains and analyzes sales reports and accordingly directs sales teams to increase health business, screen market landscape and identify prospective institutes or big agents who can liaison with us to increase health sales, develop and implement action plans for increasing the intermediaries' wallets share with passive while maintaining profitability of business, and intermediary management and marketing HR. This is the job description. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Pradhat Mark Private Limited. They are looking for a developer and the candidates should be 1 year plus experience and trained freshers are also welcome. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Indivisible Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for IoT developer. Coming to the experience required for this job role, that is 0 to 3 years is required. Coming to the qualifications, that is BE Electronics or Electronics and Telecommunication or Bachelor's in Computer Science is required. Coming to the technical skill sets, that is in-depth understanding of hardware and web technologies and implementation of various embedded and IoT applications, and knowledge of software stacks or frameworks including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, CORE and MQTT is required. Experience with microcontroller peripherals including SPMI, I2C or SMBus or serial port, SPI and ADC converters. Experience is required and the candidates should have good programming skills in C, C++ and embedded C, and the candidates should have good hands-on IoT projects. These are the technical skill sets required. Coming to the availability, that is immediate availability is preferable, that is immediate joiners are preferable. Freshers with trainings or internships can also apply. Early joiners will be preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening is available in Topper, that is they are looking for academic consultant, sales executive. Coming to the requirements, that is the candidates should possess laptop and a two-wheeler and a Android device. Coming to the benefits, that is unlimited incentive and other allowances will be given. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.